So I just thought I would give you guys a walkthrough or a detail of this beautiful envelope I made. This is my latest sample for Stamps by Me Limited. I just received the Pretty Penny stamps and the beautiful die with it. There is a coordinating die with it, and the stamp is really beautiful. You have so much to do with this one. I mean, like, you can just go ahead and just color it plain simple, or just you can do the watercolor effect. I went with the watercolor effect. This time I just, as you guys know what I make, this time I thought I would just go and do something really different. So the base is watercolor cardstock, and then I stamped it with Versafine Onyx Black. Later on, when the image was dry, please kindly do not ever go ahead and die cut it as soon as you have stamped it up, because obviously you will get all your fingers black and your things would be going all black if you have not dried it up properly. You can also use the heat tool if you want. It's really up to you, or let it dry, sit for a while. So I die cut it. As you can see, the image is so crisp, the whole background is so crisp and beautiful. I've watercolored these with distress ink. I couldn't make a proper tutorial because I was so into it, and I did take pictures actually. If I can, I will add pictures with it so you guys know the details of what I had been doing with this one. I had so much fun while I was making this one, shading this up, because like it was like, okay, it looked really beautiful. I have used the darker blue first and then the lighter blue. If you want, you can wet each petal each time when you are shading the petal separately. Don't do it all together. It's a suggestion, don't do it. Take a better, thicker watercolor cardstock. Then I just thought the blue one looked really beautiful, so I just went ahead and did the pink one on top. And here is the bud. I did the same technique with it, and I've used all the light shades of green, different shades. Why? As you can see, I've used 2 to 3 different shades. It was because I didn't want it to look all too bright, and I wanted to look a little bit different from each other, so they can look more natural. Obviously, one plant has got mostly same shade of leaves, but there are some plants where you get 2 to 3 different shades of leaves. So yes. And secondly, I have also over here used the postage stamp set from Stamps by Me Limited. It was released last year, and these are really beautiful. Like, I was like, you can see all the black marks. It was like my fingers, and I was too into it to just finish it off. And I was like, okay, I want to get this thing done, and this is how I will be doing it. And I was like, no, I can't wait. So that is the main reason that you are seeing all this thing. And here I have done one airplane, and the stamp set looks really beautiful in real. Seriously, you guys need to try this out, and if you haven't, and please do try this out. And this is the envelope I made. This one is also a little bit, I had not realized what I was doing, because obviously I was too into it. And but I guess this envelope is really cute because firstly, the stamps are made for the flat ones mostly, and you can always use these kind of things, make an envelope for your loved ones, and when you are sending it to someone as a gift or something, you can use a larger one. Mine is, I guess this is almost 7 inches, not sure, but I'm guessing this is 7 inches length, 7 inches or 7.5, something like that. And I hope you can see. And see, this is so simple. I mean, like, I've not even done anything else to it. No glitter, nothing, nothing else on top of it, because it is a simple stamp. It is a simple design, a beautiful stamp. You can do so much with this stamp, right? And this one is Pretty Penny. This is Stamps by Me Limited. You can go to their website. It's stampsbymelimitted.co.uk. And I hope you liked my details. If there is any problem, any question, please go ahead and ask. I will try to reply as soon as I can. These two were the, I think this one was Broken China. One was Broken China, the other I have forgotten. I tend to forget the words of the product details and all those things. That's my bad. I never remember it. If I have it in front of me, I will obviously give you the details. And this one was I remember this was one picked raspberry pink. What I did was I did the darker shade, then I wet the darker shade and went ahead and did the same shade with the um, wet brush, and then I shaded it again with the picked raspberry to make it more darker. That is the reason. This is only one ink color, ink shade. Same thing with the bud, but I just loved it. I really hope you guys like it, and you guys enjoyed it, and have fun making it. Thank you. Bye bye.